Hi everyone, Bo Batten here for Scorpion Protective Coatings and Owls Liner. Today we're going to talk about our Owls Liner Shake and Shoot Kit, very comparable to the Raptor DIY product out there. These kits are a two-component urethane, perfect for the DIY truck bed liner, UTVs, side-by-sides, RV roofs, and Jeep tubs. We're going to open up one of these kits and take a look. This kit comes with 4 quarts of your base and matching activator. So to mix your first quart, we're gonna get 8 ounces with the measuring cup of the activator, and we're gonna mix it into the base. Once we've added it, we're gonna get the seal tight. We're gonna vigorously shake for 2 to 3 minutes. Once you've reached that 2 to 3 minute mark, now we're gonna apply the application gun, which is gonna screw directly on top of this. Once that is ready to go, we can set our PSIs to between 60 and 80, and then we're ready to spray. Once this first quart is gone, do the exact same steps for the second quart, the third quart, and the fourth quart. The Scorpion and Owls Shake and Shoot kits are highly popular for a reason. They're durable, they're cost effective, and they look great. Contact a Scorpion representative today to find out how you can offer Shake and Shoot in your shop. And remember, Scorpion Protective Coatings, protect what's yours.